Welcome back to the channel. So glad you guys are here. If this is your first time popping by, I'm Christina and I show people the best deals going on at different stores each week, as well as general money saving tips. Today I'm going to talk with you about the best deals going on over at Walmart and at Target. I'll tell you exactly how I got all of these items, not only for free, but made $6 buying it all. So yes, you can still save money on groceries, and I try to break it down just as simple as possible for you. So if you're new, welcome. If you've been here for a while, so glad you're sticking with me. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. Okay, let's start talking about Target deals first, and then I'll tell you about Walmart deals. Target deals. One thing I want to tell you just to keep an eye out for, I don't know if this is across the board. When I walked into my Target, the fresh grocery section is right where I walk in. Now, these were not in the ad. They were not marked online on sale. But in my store, they had the orange and the yellow peppers on sale for 49 cents. That's like $1 off of their regular price. So I wasn't planning on getting any, but I'm probably gonna make stuffed peppers later this week because they were beautiful. And at 49 cents for the yellow and the orange, great price. So check your store when you're in there and see if they have that. Also in the refrigerated produce section, look for a couple different bars. This perfect bar right here is $2.49. On Ibotta, I had a $2.99 rebate. So once I submitted my receipt there, I got $2.99 back, making it completely free and a 50-cent moneymaker. Now there is another bar that has a rebate on the Ibotta app as well, and it's called Core Keto. Why you don't see it here, I ate it. Completely forgot that I'd be doing a video. So that Core Keto bar, it's a purple package. It's $2.19. There is an Ibotta rebate for $2 back, making the bar just 19 cents. And it is good. I already ate it. Okay, let's talk about one more deal that is going to be in that same section. It's on this cheese. This is the goat cheese jalapeno honey. It's the only one that my store had. They are normally $4.99, but there is a Target Circle offer for 50% off. So that made it $2.49 is what I paid at the register. But there are two different rebates. So you can submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back, making it just 49 cents. But there's also a rebate through the manufacturer on a different website, and I'll link that for you. That way you can check out the rebate and decide if you want to do it. But I got an additional $2.49 back for doing that rebate, making this completely free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, that rebate is run through a program called Simp, like polling people, asking questions. So it was a little bit more labor intensive than some of the other rebates that I talk about because I did have to answer questions about the product. Like they asked me my age, my gender, they asked me who I shop for in my family, and then they asked how often I buy a product like that. So if you're not interested in providing answers to probably about 10 questions, then skip that rebate. But if you don't mind and you want to score yourself some $2 moneymaker cheese, I have that link down in the video description box. Now, if you are listening and you're like, I have no idea what Ibotta is, it is a cashback app. I do have a complete tutorial on that app, as well as all the cashback apps that I use. But if you grab it using this referral code here, you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. Okay, let's talk about another amazing rebate deal. I've mentioned it before, but I want to mention it again. It's on these Simulate tenders. Now, these are $4.99 per box. Grab 2 boxes. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $5 back. So that's already half price. But I have a rebate that I'll link for you in the video description box that gives you 1 Simulate product completely free. So when you submit your receipt to that, you don't have to answer any extra questions there. You're going to get your purchase price back. So you'll buy 2 at $4.99. You'll get $4.99 back from the rebate that I will link down in the video description box. And then you'll get $5 back on Ibotta for buying 2 of them, making them both free. And I haven't tried the tenders, but I've tried the nuggets of this brand. They're really good, and I don't eat like chicken nuggets. Obviously, these are plant-based, but for that type of product, I thought they were really good, and my son is a super picky eater, and he loves them, so win-win. Now, let's talk about a couple other deals at Target using different rebate apps. I picked up these 2 packs of Papermate pens. They're $1.99 each. Okay, so that's $3.98. There is a rebate on my Fetch Rewards app for $3 back when you buy 2. So that made my final cost 98 cents for both of them, or just 49 cents each for a bunch of mechanical pencils. Now, the Fetch Rewards rebate unfortunately did not go through on its own. I did have to send an email, but within 24 hours, they had credited me the $3 in my account. Now, these are the cool rebates right now on Shopkick. This is my favorite deal at Target. There's a Shopkick app that is a bundle deal. So when you buy 3 different products, you're going to get $5 back. So let me show you exactly what I did. I purchased these Bounce dryer sheets. These are $2.99. I picked up one of these puffs for $1.79, and then the Dawn dish soap at $1.19. So no coupons. My final cost at the register was $5.97. I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app and got $5 back there, making my final cost 97 cents for all 3 of those items. Now, I also use the Brand Club app and had done a survey for these Bounce dryer sheets. So I ended up getting an additional $2.25 back. So of course that made my total completely free and a moneymaker. But 97 cents, if you don't use Brand Club, is an amazing deal for all 3 of those items. And these will be a teacher donation item for us. If you do use Brand Club or you want to check it out, it's a great app for getting cash back on things you're already buying anyway. So I get little cents back for like the Suave, the Dove, the Always products. I'm always getting like 10 cents back, 15 cents back, 25 cents back. But then I get more money back when I do surveys for products. So check that app out as well. I have a link down in the video description box that would give you an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt with Brand Club and you're actively using the Brand Club app. Now, I think that was it on Target. So let's talk about Walmart deals. Let's talk about food deals first. Now, this is a huge box of Fruit Loops. Okay, it was $4.28. Again, using the Shopkick app, I got back $3.04 for scanning this and buying it, which made my final cost for this $1.24. Now, Kellogg's has a program where you buy certain Kellogg's products, you get a free book. So I submitted my receipt to the Feeding Reading program where I will get this box of cereal and a book for $1.24. That book will be shipped to your home for free. Again, I will link that in the video description box for that rebate. Now, also picked up these Kellogg's Club crackers. These are $3.38. Shopkick gave me back $2.24, making my final cost $1.14 for this box. So if you want to check out Shopkick, you haven't downloaded it yet. If you use this referral code SWC5, you'll get an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. So I did notice on Ibotta, there was an offer I haven't seen before, and it was on olive oil. So I was looking for the cheapest olive oil product at my Walmart, and it was this spray at $3.34. There was an Ibotta offer for $1.20, so that made my final cost just $2.14 for this spray. The last food deal, if you consider marshmallows food, it's these stuffed marshmallows at $3.98. I had a free after rebate offer on Ibotta for $3.98 back, making them completely free. But because I had already bought a Keebler product in the past, I got a bonus of 50 cents. So it actually made it a 50-cent moneymaker for me. Now, Couple other Ibotta offers I want to tell you about. I don't think this offer is on Ibotta now, but I'm going to still tell you about it in case it comes back. It's on these heritage products. It was $5 back, any product, any variety, and it was a limit of 2. Well, I was in the store late on Monday night when I grabbed these. I saw these at $3.94. Scanned them, they qualified. So I bought 2 for $7.98 total, $7.88 total. And then I got back $10 on Ibotta, making it a $2.12 moneymaker. So amazing deal there. Keep your eye out to see if that offer comes back, because that's amazing. And they had tons of hair products, a few at $3.94 and a bunch at $4.94. Other Ibotta offers, I think this Always Discrete was the one of the only other Ibotta offers I did. These are $5.67 each. There is a $5 coupon in the August Procter & Gamble coupon insert if you have that. So grab 2 of them. You'll pay $6.34 at the register, get $5 back on Ibotta, making it $1.34 for both of them, or just 67 cents each. I also picked up this Old Spice Kraken Guard. It is body spray as well as deodorant. It's priced at $5.47. There was a $3 coupon in that Procter & Gamble insert, so I paid $2.47 at the register, got back $3 on Ibotta, so already a freebie. But there was also a $1 rebate on Shopkick, making my final cost completely free and a $1.53 moneymaker. This Suave spray deodorant is priced at $5.18. I had a 50-cent coupon from one of the newspaper inserts. You don't even need that coupon to snag it almost completely free. So you'll pay $4.68 at the register if you have the 50-cent coupon. You'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. Submit to Shopkick, where you'll get $3.64 back, making it free and a 46-cent moneymaker. Now, the other deodorants that I did last week, did it again this week. It's on the small Dove men and Dove women deodorant. They're $1.97 each, but there is a Shopkick offer for $3.60 back, making them both completely free and a $1.63 moneymaker each. Another easy moneymaker on Shopkick, and this one's already processed for me, is on these Shea Moisture packets if your store carries them. These are $2.97. There's a rebate on Shopkick that gives $4 back, making this completely free and a $1.03 moneymaker. Now, was that everything? One more thing. I picked up this Curad. Now, the bandages I thought would be with Band-Aids. It is in like the sporting section where they have like different braces and that type of thing. This Curad right here is only $1.97, but there's a Shopkick offer that gives you $2.40 back, making it free and a 43-cent moneymaker. So great deal here. Now, when I add everything up, it made everything free and a $6 moneymaker. That doesn't even count like Ibotta bonuses. I'm 2 offers away from getting another $5 back. So amazing deals finally at Walmart this week. Very good haul. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below. Also, I have posted quite a few new things over on my Instagram, so if you'd like to check that out, you can find me at Save with Christina. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.